In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Systeme.io in just 2 simple steps. It's a quick and easy process that takes less than 5 minutes. Whether you're building your first sales funnel or adding a contact form to an existing one, this guide will help you set it up with no hassle. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Systeme.io account and head over to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all your tools and features, including access to your sales funnels. Now click on the funnel where you would like to add your contact form. If you've built funnels before, this will definitely feel familiar. But if it's your first time, don't worry, the process is pretty straightforward. Once you're inside your funnel, keep an eye out for the Add Step button. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this button will let you add a new page to your funnel. It's an important step because this is what allows you to broaden your funnel with different types of pages, such as opt-ins, checkouts, and of course, contact forms. It's a great way to make sure your funnel meets all your needs. Now let's move on to the next step, which is selecting the type of page you want to create. Since our focus here is on making a contact form, you'll want to choose Inline Form from the available options. This option is particularly helpful because it lets you embed a contact form directly into your funnel, making it super easy to collect leads and inquiries from your visitors. Once you've chosen the inline form, you'll be guided to a selection of templates. Systeme.io offers several templates to pick from, each optimized for different goals and styles. Take a moment here to browse through them and select one that fits both your brand and your layout. Choosing the right template can save you a lot of time and make your form look more professional and cohesive with your website design. And just like that, you've successfully created a fully functional contact form inside Systeme.io in just 2 simple steps. A well-designed contact form is one of the best ways to connect with your audience, gather valuable leads, and convert visitors into loyal customers. But before you wrap up, don't forget to customize your form with the fields and information that matter most to your business. Personalizing your contact form not only helps you engage better with your audience, but also makes the overall experience more effective. Thanks for watching.